Hi friends, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping in. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. If you like the video, please hit the like button, and if you haven't already done so, hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you as a subby friend. So today I'm super excited. We are going to be looking at this Starbucks tumbler with complete glitter over it, and it turned out so cute. Now, I know that there are people who are a little concerned over putting epoxy on these, and by all means, you do what you're comfortable with. I have certainly done my research, and I am completely comfortable putting epoxy on these. The type of material it is makes me feel fine. And of course, you make your own decision for that. And, I know that also there is a concern on, these cracking because of the flimsy nature of the cup. So what I like to do is put multiple very thin layers over these tumblers. It helps them to not be so heavy, but it definitely also helps to keep them sturdy and strong. Now, that's not to say that this couldn't possibly break or crack, and if it does, you would have to discard it and not use it. However, with regular use, if you do a nice multiple thin coats over this and it cures properly, I have had very good luck with these. However, anybody that I give them to, I do let them know to treat them with care, and if you drop it and it cracks or anything like that, you definitely want to discard it. But they're beautiful, and I love how they turn out. So this Princess Jasmine cup turned out so super cute, and I am totally digging it. I am so sorry for the voiceover on the initial part of this. Hopefully my microphone will be here soon. I initially was a little bit hesitant to do full glitter on these tumblers, and then when I started to, I realized how amazing it is. Oh my gosh, I don't know what my hesitancy was. It's beautiful, and these are beautiful with full glitter. Now, what I would suggest though, if you're going to put a decal over your sticker here and take it out, definitely do 3 coats. And then on your 3rd coat, like I go back and just put a little bit of extra epoxy down, over here, just to make sure it's nice and even. And that's my way. So yeah, but I just think that this turned out so cute. So Princess Jasmine, I love her. And I don't know if you can, with the light going in, if you can like really see the decals super well. So I'll do a little bit more up close so you can see it. But this turned out really good. And I want to show you, because unfortunately the video, when I was putting the stickers on, I didn't realize that I didn't actually have the video going. So I don't have it. But okay, so Happy Planner stickers. And I have the Mickey ones also that I use for my Mickey cup, and I use them all the time. And these are so fantastic. So I wait till they're on sale at Hobby Lobby or Michael's. And these Happy Planner stickers, I did show it in a haul, but they've got all these really beautiful princess stickers. I have another book that is Mickey stickers. So that's where my decals came from. And then of course you could use your Cricut, make them yourself. You could layer your vinyl, you could do a print and cut. There's so many different ways that you can do it. And I do things multiple ways because there are so many different ways that you can do things. So, but this turned out really, really, really cute. But if you like these particular decals, this is where they came from. All right. And so I will also attach a video of putting the glitter on this tumbler if you'd like to see that. And I will show you some up close of this tumbler. All right. Listen, I hope you guys have a blessed, and beautiful day, friends. Thank you so much for stopping in. Again, if you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, please hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you later. Bye, friends. All right. So here is this video, this tumbler up close so you can see it. And it just really turned out so pretty. Now, in order to, film, of course, there's the light is shining through, so you can really see the glitter, through the decal a lot more on video than, in person. But this turned out so pretty. And I just really love these. I think that they're fun. For whatever reason, they feel so much easier to do than the stainless tumblers. I'm not sure why, but they really do. But this turned out really, really good. All right, listen, thank you guys, and I will attach the video of putting the glitter on. And I hope you have a beautifully blessed day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye, friends. All right, friends, so this tumbler has been washed and cleaned down with alcohol. I did go ahead and tape up the rim. I have been doing that lately. And on this one, because I'm doing a full glitter, I did decide to put a little circle piece over the Starbucks emblem, and then after about 30 minutes, once this is completed, after about 30 minutes of it spinning, I will take that off. Now, I am using my Pro Marine epoxy. It is FDA compliant, and when fully cured properly, it becomes an inert plastic. So I am mixing my glitter in my epoxy. So I am using Ocean Treasures by Glitter Chimp. This color is so beautiful. And since I'm making a Princess Jasmine cup, these colors just really spoke to me that they would go so well on this particular tumbler. So I like to use about half as much glitter as epoxy. And I was just showing you what that looks like. And I am just going to apply this to the entirety of the cup. Now, you can apply your glitter so many different ways, and every different way gives you a little bit of a different look. So putting the glitter in the epoxy like this, you're able to get a full coverage, but it's still, not a super thick coverage. You're still going to get some of your background coming through, which is what I wanted with this being a clear tumbler. I wanted that where the light would shine through. However, there is glitter on the entire thing. Now, the nice thing when you do it this way, your glitter lays down really nice and flat and smooth into your tumbler. Now, if you wanted this like with just a complete full coverage, then you could just put your epoxy, a very thin coat of epoxy, over your tumbler and then sprinkle your glitter over it. And of course, there are all the other methods such as Mod Podge, tack it method, spray adhesive, just really whatever way you would choose. So for these particular cups, I like this method. I think that it is the method that turns out the best. So I am just going to, again, cover the whole thing. My glitter is half as much glitter to the amount of epoxy, and this has about 10 cc's of epoxy. And then after this spins for about 30 minutes, I will take off my little covering off the center, as well as the tape off the rim of my tumbler. From there, I will put on my decals, and then I will put 2 more thin coats of epoxy on it after that. All right, listen, folks, I hope you have a blessed and beautiful day. Thank you so much for stopping in. If you haven't already done so, hit subscribe. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. I appreciate you so very much. Take care. Bye.